Suspect's vehicle has been located. Details have been sent.
Hello everybody, welcome back to this video. So this feature that we are waiting for it for a long time, which is getting haptic feedback and audio in our DualSense controllers on PC using Bluetooth or wireless. If I just start do this, I think you can hear. So we have here DualSense X, which is the app we are using. Let's do 0 order hold, speaker volume. I think you can hear this. Of course, adaptive triggers, everything works like you are using, it looks like you are using USB. As we know, this doesn't work on PC, works only on PS5, and now we have this on PC. Unfortunately, you cannot access this feature because it works only with closed beta for now. Of course, the app will get updates to the public in the near future. As you can see, it's an amazing app. And if you go to the Haptics or Rumble, then go to, of course, you have to use virtual device PS5 controller and virtual DualSense sound and choose this. It's saying coming soon because I'm on closed beta. So you can access this app on Steam. Just type DSX. As you can see, I have DSX plus DLC. I bought, I think, the best version, and I joined the developer Discord. Okay, I have joined the developer Discord, and as you can see here, they are saying is playing, and I just access to the beta version or the closed beta. As you can see here, it's closed beta testing, and I want to share this with you. Let's try another game and go to sound, and here you have to enable controller speaker or enable the sound from the controller. And let's just do something. Let's go to the police.
Okay, on our way.
Now if we go to the police and the police start speak, the sound will be or the radio of the police.
Suspect's vehicle has been located. Details have been sent.
As you hear. Now let's run from them. So my phone just stopped recording. I'm so close to that 1K subscribers. I hope you subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.